It's here. Can you believe it? I've been waiting so long. New video lights. Let's go check them out. It's time, finally. I know everybody raves about these, so I thought maybe I'd give them a try. See what this is all about. We have lots of photography equipment. We're just getting the video equipment down, but we're gonna get it. It's fun getting boxes. So let's open this thing and see what it's all about. Pretty well packaged. Power cord. It's a long power cord. How long that is? 3 meters? Wow. Nice heavy cord. Probably like maybe 4 meters, 12 feet. I like it. Color modifiers, looks like they go on the reflector. Okay. Let's see if the meter contains this. Lens buff. Can't have too many of those. Check this thing out. Doesn't really smell too much. Nice build quality. Bowens mount. Nice protective cap. Nice. I'm excited. We'll check it out. We'll get right back to you and let you know. Maybe it'll work for photography too. Who knows? If you know anything about that, if you have the Godox SL-60W and you use it for photography, make a comment below and tell me how you're using it, if it's working for you or not working for you. We'll see you again soon.